Hi, sweet baby. No one's gonna hurt you. No one's gonna hurt you. I know, they're just kitty cats. Hey, Mr. Spock.